Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shimangi Sada Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Monday, 10th November 2025, Nifty index opened on a negative note, and after slipping to 25,300, it witnessed attempts of buying and moved northward for the rest of the day to cross 25,550 marks. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame with longer lower shadow, signaling buying can be seen at support levels near its 50 daily exponential moving average. But it still continues to form lower highs, lower lows from the last 6 trading sessions. It formed a bearish candle on the weekly frame and lost almost 500 points in the truncated week. India VIX was up by 1.2% to 12.5 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.93. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,000 to 26,000 levels, while immediate range is in between 25,300 to 25,700 marks. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 5,147 crores and DIIs were buyers worth 6,135 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 13.2%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest if Nifty manages to cross and hold above 25,500, then buying could be seen towards 25,650 and 25,800, while a hold below the same could see weakness towards 25,300 and 25,200 levels. Bank Nifty has to hold above 57,750 for the next up move towards 58,577 levels, while on the downside, support can be seen at 57,500 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Bajaj Finance, Paytm, LTF, Shriram Finance, MCX and M&M. While some weakness could be seen in Bharti Airtel, Delivery, Mankind Pharma and Apollo Hospital. Wish you a super day and a lovely week ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.